in this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you log in. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now click on your account, and if I am going to log in an account, click on login. Now you can see use phone number, email or username. You have to click on this and enter your phone number here. After that, putting your phone number, one message or code will be sent to your phone. Enter that code here and you will be sign in. If you are facing still this problem that your account is not logging, then you have to check credentials that your username, your email address or your phone number is correct. If they are correct, then you can resolve this problem by restarting your phone, checking internet connection, updating your app, clear cache data, uninstall app and then reinstall that. And if still you are facing that problem, then contact to the TikTok support. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.